Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to utilize our customer workflows dashboard. It's a super quick tool to use and it's paired nicely with our AI assistant, which is automatically generating questions to ask. But let's say you had a specific set of questions you wanted to ask your customers if they came in complaining of air conditioning issues. What you could do is click on this create workflow button and then you could name the workflow air conditioning questions, and then you could specify the questions you want to ask. So for example, we could say the first one is, did the air stop blowing cold suddenly or slowly? Then we'll go ahead and click add, and then we can add an additional question of, was the AC recharged recently? And we can keep going from there and adding more and more and more questions. But let's say we're done with this. We only wanted to add these two. All you need to do then is click save. And once you click save, this will be added to your list of questions and now you can start asking. Additionally, if you want to reorder these questions, all you have to do is drag and drop them to move one on top of the other. Or if you wanted this to show up above any of the other custom workflows you can build, you can also drag and drop them this way. Hope that helps give you an overview of how to utilize this tool. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.